What's up, guys? I'm in my garage today checking out my C7, and when I got it, it had really dark exhaust tips. You can see them there. I just wiped them off with a rag, but I'm actually going to take this Lucas Oil metal polish to them and see how it does. So it says it's easy to use, so let's see if that's true. Well, I wish I would have took a video before I wiped them, because I just wiped them with this rag, and a lot of it came off already, but you can tell the difference between the inside ones and the outside ones. The outside ones are darker, so let's try this metal polish out. Easy to use, long lasting, safe on all metals. You literally just put it on either the metal or your rag and kind of buff it on and then buff it off. So here we go. Oh, jeez. Look at that, it's coming right off. Ones were the worst ones. Supposed to let it dry and then wipe it off again. So